Hello and welcome to the Magic Show. My name is the amazing Tori Wilcox. Today I'd like to show you a couple of my magic tricks. Prepare to be amazed. I've been doing magic tricks ever since I was 7 years old. They just seem to amaze me and everyone around me. I just love them and I hope that you will love them too. So for trick number 1, you're going to need a salt and pepper shaker, a coin of some sort, and a napkin and paper towel. I'm going to have my assistant Lacey Wilcox bring those over to me. Thank you, Lacey. So we have a quarter, a paper towel, and a glass pepper shaker. So I'm going to make this coin go through the table. I can never seem to perfect this, so let's see if this will work. Well, looks like it didn't work. Let's try this again. Move it over here to a different spot of the table. Oh, I can never get that right. I always seem to make the wrong thing disappear. Oh well, let's move on to the next trick. So for trick number 2, I'm going to need a deck of 52 cards. Lacey, thank you. Now you can have a deck of 54 cards, but I like to take the jokers out just because they confuse me. I don't really understand why they put the jokers in anyway, because everyone just takes them out. And I don't understand why there's only 2 of them when there's 4 of all the other cards. Anyways, you're going to take this deck and divide it into 2. You're going to take these 2, divide it into 2 more. Now you're going to take the first 3 cards off of the pile, put a card on each of the other piles. You're going to do the same down the line. First 3 on the bottom, card on each deck. Now this particular card trick is called the Aces trick, and you'll see why. Because every card that I flip over happens to be an ace. Okay, so as we move on to the 3rd trick, I'd like a volunteer. Okay, I'd like you to shuffle this deck as good as you want to shuffle it. You can shuffle it as bad as you want, as good as you want. Just let the audience know that you are shuffling the cards and I'm not doing anything. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Okay. So, what I'm doing here is I'm just making a couple decks of cards. And I'm going to want you to leave 3 of the decks of cards out there and give the rest of the cards to me. Okay, so give me 2 decks.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, now I'd like you to pick 2 piles and flip over the top cards. Now I'm going to guess this card that you didn't flip over. This card's going to be an ace.
How did you do that?
Magic. Alright, so as we move on to the last trick, I'm going to go through this deck and I'm going to find all the aces. Now sometimes it's a little tricky because you're going so fast, but you get pretty used to it. Now today is Father's Day, and I'd like to wish everyone out there a happy Father's Day. I hope everyone's having a good one. I'm going to find these aces here. Can't seem to find any. Oh, there's one. Must all be in the same place. There's one. There's one. Let's see, we got one more. Huh. Let me find this. Right here. Okay. So, we have all the aces out here. Now, these two piles right here are going to be your piles. So you're going to check these at the end, and I'm going to check these at the end. Now I want you, we're going to start out with these two. Now you're going to put 12 of each. So you're going to guess what color this is.
Red, red, black, red, black, black, red, black, 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 red, red, black, red, black, red, 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 black, black, black.
Hold on. Okay, keep going.
Black, red,
Okay.
red.
Okay. So these two are good. So you're going to check this one, and I'm going to check this one at the end. Okay, let's do the same over here.
Black, black, red, black, red, 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 black, red, black, 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 red, red, black, red, black, black, red, red, black, red, red, black.
Okay. So you check these middle two and tell me how many you got right. And I'll check these two and tell you how many you got right. Looks like you got them all right. Congratulations. You're amazing, and you must be a pretty good guesser. You can go back to your seat now. Thank you for volunteering.
Thank you.
So my work here is finished, and I hope that you can see that I have an amazing talent. I've always wanted to be on television and interest everyone with my television. I would guarantee you that this will be the most viewed episode. Today I've only shown you a piece of what I can do with magic. Please, please, please consider me. Thanks for your time, and I look forward in hearing from you.